Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today, I've got a box from the United States. This package is from Mr. Lee's Noodles. They are now available in the US, whereas before they were only available in the UK. So let's crack this open and see what we have inside. And here we are. Okay. So as you can see, we got 8 of these cups in here. Let's take a look at all of them. First off, we've got their Tai Chi Chicken. Their coconut chicken curry. In their UK versions, this was called coconut chicken laksa. Next up, we've got their Hong Kong street style beef. And finally, their Zen Garden Vegetable. So yeah, this is a really cool lineup. One thing that these guys do that a lot of companies don't is that the vegetables and meats in these are not dehydrated. They're freeze-dried. And when you cook them up, you end up with a way different experience. The vegetables have a lot of the flavor still left in them. So when they pop up, when they're done, things like broccoli and other veggies in there, they really have a lot of flavor going on, and it's really nice. I'm really impressed with these. You can get these, I guess, at Whole Foods and soon on Amazon. So thanks again to Mr. Lee's for shooting these over, and hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.